When your new iPad AED arrives, you need to register it for its warranty. With the iPad AEDs, they come with a 7-year warranty, but you can register online using this web address, and then you can extend that up to 10 years. You can need some information, obviously your personal information to register it, the address of where it's actually going to be, but also you're going to need the serial numbers of the unit and the battery. So you can find the serial number of the battery straight onto the unit. On the front, you'll see the serial number clearly on there. And if you turn your iPad AED over, you'll see on the back there is the serial number there as well that you can register onto the warranty. So good idea to do this straight away as soon as you get it. Don't leave it, just do it straight away. Now the general policy with the warranties here is first go to the person you had a problem with, go to the person you bought the AED from, or you can contact straight through to the UK company and they'll help. And the whole point is to try and rectify the problem. So you may be able to sort the problem out over the phone. It may be just something simple that you've forgotten or haven't done, and we can rectify that straight away. If not, it may mean the unit has to be returned. Now, this is not directly about the warranty, but it's also a good idea when you're registering the unit to also go on the circuit and register your AED if you want to put it to be able to be found on the standard 999 service. So you can do that at the circuit.uk if you wish to register it on the network as well.